What is up, YouTube? How is everybody doing today? Hope everybody's having a blessed day. Today is day 8 out of day 30. It's crazy. It's already been basically a week. So, Apple today, um, up $2.42, up 1.57% today. Uh, the stock itself is 156.90, which is pretty nice. All right, so let's get rid of all the drawings. Let's break it down to the EMAs. Let's do it. Let's zoom in just a tad. So, you guys remember yesterday when I was talking about these two lines crossing? Well, they haven't crossed per se yet. Nah, they haven't crossed yet. Oh no, they did actually. Apologies. They crossed already, which is a good sign so far. Um, I just want it looks so it doesn't look like it's to get crossed yet like completely. So like for example, you see how you can see these two lines when they cross, the blue and the purple line right here. These lines they haven't like they cross, but it's not like a visible cross. So it's still bullish. All right, so today the volume of the day is 105 million, which is above average. Usually the average volume is like 80 million around there. RSI today is 48.58. Neutral sign at the moment. Let's zoom out just a little bit. Let's see. Nice. So let's look at the EMAs right now. Let's break it down. Short term, 5 and 10. It's like resting on the candle. It rejected the 20 to 50 EMA today. Like if I zoom in just a tad, like it went above the 20 to 50 EMA, and then it quickly rejected it, and it went down to around the 100 EMA. So right now, all these three EMAs, the 100, the 5, and 10, are resting on the candle itself. Um, we can't really determine if that is bullish or bearish right now. We have to wait to either these are above the candle or below the candle. So, but when it's below the candle, it means it's bullish. But when it's above, so when these are above, it's bearish. So like, let me give you an example real quick. Let's see. So like for example, right here. So you see when the candles are above all these little lines, that means it's very bullish, and it's like guaranteed to like go up the stock price. But so far, we have to just wait and see for tomorrow. I didn't like the fact that it rejected the 20 to 50. It didn't reject the hard per se. It rejected it a little bit, and it just stayed on the 100 EMA. That could be a little bit bullish though for like the longer term. Let's add the drawing. Let's see what is in the drawings. So, like I said this the other day, there is a gap to be filled. This gap right here has to be filled. If I break it down to the hourly, you'll see this big gap right here. So this gap has to be filled today. I said today. It has to be filled. I'm not saying when. I always say like in a couple of days, and right now it's only been 2 days. What's it called? Let's zoom out just a little bit. So look, we can see it touched consolidation this morning at 9:30 this morning, and it bounced off real quick. Let's get rid of you so you guys can see a little better. So it touched the yellow line. It bounced off. It chilled on the white line right here for a little bit. This is the new support now. It was resistance before because it was trying to go above it, but now it is support, which means whenever a candle, so like for example, let me go right here. So you see right here, the stock price went up to 1868, went down. It held support, which means this is like the area where, you know, it determines where the stock is, whether the stock is going to go down or up, and it held it, so it went up instead. It could either go up or down though, depending. So it could, if it breaks support, it means it goes all the way down. If it holds support, it means it's gonna go up. We can see here though, it held support for a couple hours. It rejected the 158 area. I don't see that as a resistance yet at the moment. Let's break it down to the hourly though. Let's just see it in the hourly because we got a better picture. Let's see. So let me hide the drawings real quick. So, oh wow, okay. Do you guys remember when I said that if these are all below the candle, it's like bullish, and if it's above, it's bearish. So you can see here, if I zoom in a little bit, that this candle is below all these EMAs, which is for me it is a bullish sign right now at the moment. Um, right now we can see that the 20 is about to cross the 50 in the hourly, so we can see the closer these lines get together, it's a sign for like momentum. So we could definitely see that soon. Let me see. It rested right above the 100 EMA. So if you zoom in just a tad, the 100 EMA is the red line, and it rested. It literally touched it and it bounced off, which is a pretty a bullish sign in my opinion. I have to get calls actually. I entered the calls like last week. And then I got out. I sold it like literally like right here, and then quickly rejected it a little bit. But I'm gonna get back into it because I'm still very bullish on this stock. I see a bigger move. So the EMAs, it's looking bullish for me. Let's add the drawings and let's see like what is up. So like I said, let's get rid of the EMAs. So like I said, you see, it was just chilling. Like it was just in a range today. So like, let me show you. So it was just going up, down, up, down, up, down, and it hasn't like broken out yet. We're probably gonna see a breakout tomorrow. The whole market itself was down today though. So like for example, today it was down. SPY was down $4.29. The whole market was down today, but for some reason Apple held its ground. It was like, nah, I'm not going down. Fight a fight. Tomorrow I could definitely see some movement for tomorrow. Um, I always like to do this at the very end. Oh, RSI, I didn't break RSI down in the hourly. Sorry. RSI right now is at 67.8. Still has room to go up to 80. We could definitely see. So it already filled. That's an old gap. It has to fill this gap. So we definitely could see it come up a little bit, go down, and then bounce up to the upside, fill this gap, and then quickly reject down. This gap has to be filled though, one way or another. Volume, it's above average. It is around like 16 million for like the last hour. Just looking at it real quick. Alright, but yeah, these are multiple things that could happen tomorrow. So, like drawing this out. So it could either, like I said, touch and then reject. It could either touch this is consolidation, touch consolidation, reject down, and then come back up. This is within the next few days. I'm not saying it's gonna happen tomorrow or anything like that. I'm just saying like within the next few days this should occur. But yeah, I'm very bullish on this stock currently. The stock market itself, there's a meeting tomorrow. I think it's like I forgot the meeting's name and everything, but it talks about like the hikes. Like it's like federal. And that could really tank the market low key. Um, so really, I can't go. I could go on technical analysis, but if there's like any news or anything like towards it, they could just bring the market down real quick. But we have to wait and see tomorrow how everything plays out. I hope everybody's going to have a blessed. What's today? It's Tuesday. Oh, never mind. I've been thinking today is Friday for some reason. I don't know why. Hope everybody has a good rest of the night. Any questions, concerns? My DM's always free. Um, I've been saying this. I'm going to start a beginner's guide on how to do what it is I'm doing. Um, as soon as this 30 days is over, I got you guys. Have a good one, guys. Enjoy.